Hey guys, it's Andy here, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about some YouTube alternatives. I found a few, but unfortunately there's not many good options out there. What sparked this was a growing concern that YouTube is using its influence and its monopoly on the social media ladder to choose who gets to talk and who doesn't, and I don't appreciate that at all, so I've looked into a few different alternatives to post on. d.tube came up a few times. Unfortunately, d.tube doesn't seem to be stable, and your videos just disappear after a few weeks or months, so unfortunately that is not an option. Peer.tube seems to be a very good alternative, so I'm probably going to create an account with them and start uploading to them as well. It looks promising. The last one is b.tube. b.tube seems to be the most popular alternative. People recommend it, but I think peertube might beat out b.tube. I'm gonna upload to both of them and we'll see. I already have an account with b.tube. You can see all you can do is the video title and its description, and what type of content it is you only have 3 options, based off age, and then a thumbnail. So you don't have tags or anything, so it kind of sucks. Pixels is a good site to go to get content like images. These are all just royalty-free images that won't get nailed. Next one is Pixabay. That's another one that was highly recommended to me. So it's another site you can use to get high quality stock images and videos. So these are 2 that I'd recommend. And this is the one that's most important for me, is the YouTube audio library. And you can get your songs from here in order to prevent yourself from getting a copyright strike or claim. They're okay, but they're pretty low key, if you know what I mean. Another one someone mentioned to me was the FatRat, who makes songs that you can put in your videos, but that's only half true, unfortunately. I can use these songs. I can kind of use these songs. I don't think I can use these songs. I definitely can't use these songs. It's just too much to think about. So those are those options for audio, which was my issue. First, I'll show you what it looks like when you get a copyright claim on your stuff. Right up here, you see public copyright claim on it. It took 2 days for the software to find it. Since it's all software that does it, there's no humans involved. Whatever, don't care. Other than that, like my stats are not anything worth mentioning. My view count is low. I don't monetize. I don't make money off commercials. It's all affiliate links is where I make my money. So yeah, so it's not affected. Uneligible for monetization. It's a public video, no big deal. And I could select the action of muting the audio. And I saved the comments just in case, because I'll probably delete the video and re-upload it with different audio. No big deal. And then here's the statistics of it. I just saved them for the hell of it. No reason really. Since we're on this topic, I'll talk about affiliates. So my affiliate program, I've only been doing this for a few months now. February, March, and April. So this is only eBay. So eBay is actually paying me. So I really appreciate it. This helps me buy equipment in order to test and then give you an opinion on it. Because I don't get any sponsors or anything. I don't really like the idea of it. I don't want people holding anything on me, so to speak. So I do appreciate you guys hitting those links. So eBay has been really good. It works out, but I don't just use eBay. I use AliExpress. Banggood. But AliExpress, you need your own website and this and that, so I can't really affiliate it. So all the AliExpress links, they're just straight links, there's no affiliate to it, no big deal. I don't get paid much from Banggood at all, unfortunately. I don't know, maybe that's an issue with the way their website is set up, because I try to use Average Joe's affiliate link all the time. I have it saved in my bookmarks, but maybe it's wrong, I'm not sure. So hopefully he's getting some kickbacks from all the stuff I buy from Banggood. These rocker switches are pretty much the only thing that I've gotten a kickback from. The knowledge, the sharing of information is far more valuable, and I've used it as a portfolio for my achievements and failures in this field. I think that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple, straightforward video. I just want to make this quickly. It's not my normal content to be talking about, but I am going to start uploading to d.tube and peer.tube and see how that goes, and I'll start putting links to those sites in my description, I think. It's going to be touch and go. I don't know how I feel about it, but I felt that maybe this would help people avoid getting copyright claims. Maybe you have some other alternatives that you can suggest, and that would be greatly appreciated. I can put them in the description as well if you leave a comment, so that can help other people out. So check the description below for the links to these different sites, and you can use them to avoid copyright strikes and claims in the future. Honestly, I don't even know if I should bother saying like, comment, subscribe, you know, because I'm talking about leaving YouTube, right? Like, I'll keep uploading to YouTube, but I'm also going to be uploading to these other sites. I don't like putting all my eggs in one basket, so just food for thought. It seems to be something that's quickly approaching the possible death of YouTube for small creators, right? It will always be used by people, but quality content creators that are small are probably going to drop YouTube. We don't know when, and we don't know who they're going to go to, but I'm going to put my bag in with peertube and d.tube and see where it goes from there. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.